got nothing on you. They ain't got nothing on you. I swear them hoes ain't got nothing on you. That nigga broke, he ain't got nothing for you. I swear these hoes ain't got nothing on you.
Good morning, everybody. Okay, we here today because everybody want to know how to lose weight. Everybody know what I do to lose weight. Not what everybody else do, but what I do, how I take my supplement, and how I take my tea. Today, first is the NutriBurst. NutriBurst is vitamins. All vitamins that you need, antioxidants, help boost your immune system. You go take one of these, this a cap. You take this off and you pour it in there and you take it. You can take this with juice or take it by itself. I like to take it by itself. It's more potent. We're going to be doing all that today. Then I have this, the magic tea. Y'all tripping for real because this is $59.95, 30 days. But look at that stamp right there. Money back guarantee. I was skeptical at first too, but shit, as long as I was able to get my money back, I was gonna try it. So I tried it. Okay, after I tried it, it got to work for me. But I was going at a slow pace. It wasn't going as fast, but it was loose. It was going at a slow pace, but it was going fast. So I started making little changes to my little tea. And it worked. So now we finna make it. Okay? I'm finna go over here. I boiled some water for my tea. Okay? So, usually, I'm going to show y'all how to make it the right way. And for people who think they need something a little more stronger, I'm going to show you how to make it stronger. Okay? You know the deal. So, when you open it up, you're going to have 25 of these. 25 of these. These are what you're going to use. You can't use less than 16.9 ounces of water. Don't use less than 16 with one. I like to use the big ones like the other tea. Yeah, this is what I usually use, but since I'm showing y'all how to make it the right way, I'm gonna make it afterwards to show y'all the video because I lost 50 pounds, so I want to keep going. So I want to go fast, and I've been working out, so I need an all day jug. So this is a 50 strong 2 liter. It's like a 2.2 liter, but we're gonna get into that. Let me finish my video. But okay. So my water is boiling. I'm gonna go get it. Okay. Got my water right here. In my cup. So let me go over the sink and pour this. Okay. So now, the ingredients that I have, now that you have your boiling water, you want to have your ginger root, the actual root, a lemon, and a cucumber. So, since I'm making only a 16.9 ounces, it's going to be very small. So, for 16.9 ounces, you don't need a whole cucumber, just a few slices. Keep the rinds on your cucumber. So for a glass, I make like 5 slices, and then I cut them in half. So let me show you. My hands are clean, and it's my tea anyway. So 5 slices that I'm gonna cut in half, and I'm gonna put it inside the water. So what I'm getting is my cup is overflowing. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna add my ingredients back to the boiling pot, the boiling hot water pot. And then I'm gonna pour it in there. Because I'm used to having a big jug. My jug is like, y'all see, it's almost filled. So I'm gonna pour it back in there. And this is like the water that I have in here is like 2 bottles of water. So since I don't want to waste it, I'm gonna use two of these. So I'm gonna make me a bottle for today and a bottle for tomorrow. Okay. Then I'm gonna cut my lemon. I love lemon, so I'm gonna put this whole in it. Like, I'm gonna make chunks, slices out of it, not like, I'm gonna show you guys afterwards. Okay. My knife is not sharp, come on guys. Okay. This is a whole lemon you guys are using. A half a cucumber for two bottles. Okay. Okay, so I just cut like pieces of the lemon. No sort of way. Just put it in the water. Now you're gonna take your ginger root and you're gonna like peel it like a potato. Like a little piece. You only need like a little piece of this. And then you're gonna grate it. You're gonna grate it into the pot. And let me just grate it on the cutting board, just so you're aware of how much ginger you can put in here. And I do not like ginger, y'all, but I drink it. Yes. I do not. Oh, it smells good, but I do not. So, if I had to measure this out, I would say it's a tablespoon of ginger. Because I'm going to get a tablespoon and put it on here. Show you guys. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so your ginger on your spoon should look like this, grated. After you grate it, you're going to put it in the water. You're going to stir that around immediately. Now, you're going to take, remember, we have 2 bottles of water in this pot. So we're going to take 2 Laso seeds. Add it in the water with the ingredients. Oh, and by the way, it is, what time is it? It's 8:09. I haven't ate anything. I haven't drunk anything. I haven't brushed my teeth, so wash my face. It's about anything that I consume. And I don't eat till after 12, sometimes after 2 because I fast. I skip breakfast. Let me tell y'all something. Skipping breakfast. Breakfast is the most important part of the day. But breakfast does not mean morning time. Breakfast means when you wake up from your sleep and you break your fast. And breaking your fast, whenever you break your fast, it should be something healthy. Like chicken breasts, grilled chicken breasts in a salad. Or if you're eating breakfast, scrambled eggs and sausage or something like that if you're doing keto. Or scrambled eggs and mushrooms and spinach. That's what I like to eat in the morning. But, yeah. So, don't Like, I skip breakfast. You don't have to skip breakfast. You don't have to do any of that. You don't have to fast. I do it because it works for me. And that's why I'm telling people here today what works for me. So I'm just stirring in the tea and the ingredients. Okay. So the first thing you want to do, because this has, let me show y'all what it looks like. Well, let me show y'all. It looks like this inside. Inside of it, it looks just like that. So when you pour your tea, you're going to hold your ingredients inside, and you want this to steep for a little bit. And you can take this, like, the crazy thing about it is this tea is effective cold. I don't like cold tea, but this, you can drink this effective cold. Like, a lot of people think cold tea don't work. Cold tea does work. But I like hot tea. It's soothing, calming, all of that. Gets me ready. But while we're waiting on that to steep, let's take our NutriBurst, and then we can drink on the tea all day. Then I'll show you how to prepare it in the bottle, or however you're going to drink it, save it in tomorrow. Like, because you have ingredients in there, I suggest a big cup, like one of these. Like one of these, so all of your stuff can fit in this. I got this from Dollar Tree, $1. Okay. So now we're gonna take our vitamins first thing in the morning. First thing that you consume will be your vitamins. A capful. You can see that. Make sure you shake this up and thumbs up. Now, this tastes just like vitamins, but it has a sweet taste. You can mix it with orange juice, cranberry juice, lemon juice. But that's that. Now, we're gonna pour my tea over the sink cup. So I pour my tea in there. And this is just so you're able to get your 30 days in without doubling up. So if you want to drink all of this in one day, you can, but you're doubling up, you're gonna have 15 days. So it's not gonna be 30 days. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just put all mine in here because I'm gonna double up today. Guys, you can add ice. You can add strawberries. A great benefit is spearmint. That helps you burn fat as well. It helps in the loss of fat. So I don't have any more. So it's good.